Hi Virgo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 26th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is the Tower card, the 10 of Swords, and the 7 of Swords. Person B here has 9 of Cups, 2 of Cups, and the 8 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have King of Pentacles, which means that both of you are doing really good. Your finances look really nice, and maybe you are also enjoying the luxuries of life. Now from the first set of cards which shows your energy, I see you have the Tower card, which means that you are in that energy where all of a sudden something will shake this entire relationship or something in your life. Okay, now this happens mostly because the foundation of, if it's the relationship, then the foundation of that relationship is not very solid. There is something that you both need to work on. Okay, and that's why this shakeup is going to happen. The second card for you is 10 of Swords, which means you feel backstabbed. You may feel that this person has done something that they have not discussed with you, something that they have done behind your back. The third card here is 7 of Swords, which could be your energy also. This shows deception, trickery, something, something which is not right. Okay, you know that what you're doing is ethically not right, and you're still going ahead and doing it. So that's the energy of the 7 of Swords. Now for person B, the first card is 9 of Cups, which means that they have emotional connections for you, but they don't want to put in that effort. So that's the lazy energy that they are in. The second card is 2 of Cups, which means they have an emotional connection with you. They feel that soulmate connection. Now the third card being 8 of Pentacles, it means a lot of hard work is required to go ahead and fix this relationship and just take care of the current situation. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the intention of this person. So the first card I see here is 3 of Cups, 6 of Wands, and 8 of Swords. Now with 3 of Cups, it means there could be a third party situation, somebody else along with you and your person who is currently involved in this relationship. The second card is 6 of Wands, which means victory, and the third card being 8 of Swords, it means confusion because you're not able to see things clearly. Okay, it could be you or your person, but with 8 of Swords, it shows that you don't have the complete picture, you don't have the complete information, so you are blindfolded, you have half information, and that causes a lot of confusion and stress. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see for all of you is the end of a tough cycle approaches, which means that if you're going through a really hard time, okay, then the end is close by. You just need to have a little more patience, hang on, and things will get better. Let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sapphire. The crystal message is, are you feeling confused? Are you in search of wisdom and deeper spiritual insight? Engage in illuminating activities such as meditation, contemplation, and reflection to better understand the true nature of reality. Pray, allow for spiritual truth to be revealed. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Michael, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.